Hey everyone, Keith from Tuck here. Today we're going to be testing the new Allswell Hybrid mattress, which is a very affordable offering, but if you're curious how it stacks up to Tuck's tests, keep watching to find out. Helping us test the Allswell mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper Elizabeth, our average weight sleeper Charles, and our heavyweight sleeper Mary. To unbox the Allswell mattress, move the box to its final destination and grab a partner, as it's a bit bulky for one person to do alone. Take it out of the box and remove the plastic. Allow the Allswell mattress about 12 to 24 hours to expand completely. The Allswell mattress is a 10-inch hybrid bed. The cover is made from cotton and the top has a 1-inch quilted cotton padding. The comfort layers consist of 2 inches of memory foam. The support core is made up of 7 inches of pocketed coils. The Allswell mattress sits at about a 6.5 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The hybrid mattress has a feel more in line with an innerspring bed than a memory foam mattress. It's quite responsive and doesn't conform that closely to the sleeper. To test for support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our 3 sleepers when sleeping on their side. As you can see, the Allswell mattress performed well for light and average weight sleepers, and very well for heavyweight sleepers. To test motion isolation, we use a glass of water and have our heavier weight sleeper move around on the opposite side of the mattress. The Allswell mattress performed surprisingly well. You can see that glass barely moves as Mary shifts around the other side of the bed. The Allswell mattress performed very well in our edge support tests. As you can see, for all 3 sleeper weights, the mattress did a great job of holding them up when sitting on the side of the bed. The same can be said when each of our sleepers laid down close to the edge of the bed. They all felt very secure and didn't feel that feeling of roll-off or being ejected from the mattress. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how much pressure relief a mattress should offer a sleeper. Looking at the testing results, light and average weight sleepers performed well for pressure relief, and our heavyweight sleeper performed even better. We should note here that our lighter and average weight sleeper saw a little bit of pressure on the hip and shoulders when sleeping on their side. Now let's take a look at temperature neutrality. Due to its hybrid construction and the 7 inches of pocketed coils in the support core, airflow is encouraged and sleepers remain cool throughout the night. Now let's take a second to check in with our mattress testers. Okay, Mary, what did you think of the Allswell mattress?
I thought it was great. It's really comfortable. It's a little more firm, which I prefer. So it feels like I could get a really good night's sleep on it.
It's a little too firm for my liking. For people who like to sleep on their back, I feel like it would have been nice because you don't sink in.
I actually really liked it. Thought it was good on my side, and I can also see myself gravitating more towards sleeping on my stomach on this kind of bed.
It has a nice supportive edge. When laying on the edge of the bed, I didn't feel like I was about to roll off or fall off or anything.
How much would you pay for this mattress?
I would pay about $1,000 for this mattress.
Interesting. It's actually one of the most affordable beds on the market right now.
No kidding. Wow, I'm surprised.
Now let's take a look at how the Allswell stacked up in our mattress tests. The Allswell has a hybrid, but almost an innerspring feel. It'll leave you floating on top of the mattress versus sinking into it. It's quite responsive and less conforming. The Allswell scored good for support on light and average weight sleepers and very good for heavyweight sleeper support. Motion isolation was very good. Edge support on the Allswell mattress is very good. Pressure relief was good for light and average weight sleepers and very good for heavier weight sleepers. And lastly, temperature neutrality was very good. A couple takeaways for the Allswell mattress. If you prefer a traditional memory foam feel of a bed, so feeling like you're sinking into versus sleeping on top of the bed, this mattress is not going to be for you. If you want a bed with multiple firmness options, so you might like a really soft bed or a really firm bed, we'd also recommend going with something else, as the Allswell only comes in one firmness. We recommend the Allswell mattress for sleepers that really value edge support. So if you tend to have a hard time getting in or out of bed, or you like to sleep close to the edge of the bed, this is a great option. We recommend the Allswell mattress for back and stomach sleepers. We also recommend the Allswell mattress for budget-conscious sleepers. At the price point that this mattress comes in, you'll be hard-pressed to find something else with this quality build. Here's some additional information you should know if you're considering buying the Allswell mattress. The mattress comes with a 100-night sleep trial, ships free, and has a 10-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for this review. Please give us a like or subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you have any questions about the mattress or want a personalized recommendation, go ahead and leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Sleep tight.